Here is January 14, Friday price action. This is the pre-market. The price went down around 7.25 from 50 moving average, and the yellow line is 50 and the green is 200. And my clouds are: red one is 15 SMA, blue is 9 SMA. So after this move here, the price went sideways and tried to cross to 50 down and cross up again and retest here and bounce from the retest on 50, and price is back to the zone again. So far the price action is more for the long side, I am thinking, at the open. So anything pull back to the 50, it can be a good bounce, or anything crossing the 50 line and going back up above the 50 line can be a good entry for long position. So the first part is the price didn't test the 50, it just crossed the 200, and most likely it will continue more up. And price never came back down, so I didn't enter any position at that time. So this is the 9:30 open. And this was a test around 200, and the price continue up. So around here, I am thinking now, waiting for the price came back down to moving averages and then see the price action. Okay, so on this price action here, we see some down movement, and we wait for the price action. What is going to do? It is gonna be bounce from here, or it's gonna continue go down, crossing the 50. And it went up. Another test on the 50 line. And yes, we have a break on the 50 line with a solid bar, and it's a good entry on the pullback for the downside, I think. And on this one here, yeah, it is a little bit more pullback than what I was expected. Usually if I enter around here and then the price went back up, and my bracket just makes me exit the position, and when the price goes up, and then when I see the price coming back down, I will re-enter it. And the cloud is kind of getting ready to close to the 50 line too. It is a good sign. And if the entry here, then around here 200 can be a good place to exit the position. Right around here. There's a bounce. 200 is holding so far, and we have a bounce from 50. Retest 200, retest 50. So in this sideways price action, now I'm thinking the price is either gonna break 200, go down, or break 50, go up. And yes, we have that strong bar close on the 50. So if I see this, I will try to enter on this bar here for long. Or when you see the bar is closed, any pullback, it can be a good trade for long, as long as the price stay above the 50, not close under the 50.
Advertising on YouTube helps me reach engaged customers like Jenna.
But this bar here is next bar here is a very strong bar that make the reversal, and these are a good signs that the price is reversing. So the price was looking like it's gonna go up, but all of a sudden the price just went down very fast and closed under the 50 line. So when I see this price action, I either enter right away or enter right after this bar is closed under the 50 line. Now the price, there's a price sideways action here, and the price is trying to retest the 50 line. And this one here is just close to 50 and close above the 50. And the cloud is getting ready to 50. And again, we are retesting the 50 line, but this time is the prices actually went down and closed right on the 50 line. So it is not a very strong bar for the downside. So I will wait next bar, and the next bar is a doji as well, around, and it closed right around the 200. Still not as strong for a down price action. So at this point, anything the price is close above the 50 line, there's a good entrance for a long position. And on this one here, there's a good entrance here when it crosses 50 line. And look at the cloud. Cloud is also crossing the 50 line. And this is the price action of the Tradovate, is right here. So this doji, red doji, and the price is close right above the 200. And price went down, and then I am waiting to see the price is gonna close above the 200, and I enter the position. It is a little bit early entrance, but I was really thinking that the price is gonna go up, and it break the 50 line and also break the VWAP line. And I was trying to enter a second position there. And I got my bracket, exit my position. So right around here is a good entry point for the long. And the cloud is also crossing the 50 line. That's a good sign for the movement can go a lot more higher because everything is in our favor, like on right here. Can be another one like that. And again, another retest on the 50. And usually around this time, around 12 or 11:30, 12, I don't trade too much. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I will finish around 10:30, 11. Because of the price action is a lot more trickier after this time.